Hello everyone and welcome to New Tech. Today we are going to unbox a brand new smartwatch from LEMFO model 211. So this is the watch. It's a model T11. In total length it's 198 millimeters. In case diameter it's 45 millimeters, and in thickness is 9 millimeters. So this watch comes in 4 different colors. This is the silver and black. It comes in all black, yellow and black, and yellow and silver. It has a rubber material and a metal material in here. It's very comfortable watch. It weighs 14 grams and it has a lithium battery, 19 milliamp hours. Charging time in 16 minutes. Work hours it lasts 3 to 5 days. In standby time it lasts about 10 days. This watch is waterproof. It has 4.0 Bluetooth version and it's 0.96 inch with colorful display, single touch control, and it has many features. For example, heart rate monitor, blood oxygen pressure monitor, sleep monitoring. It has sedentary reminder, sport, calorie consumption, track record, exercise time, call reminder, and display. This smartwatch shows us our message when we connect with our phone. The main function of the smartwatch are call, reminder, and display, message in pushed and displayed, remote controlled camera, automatically heart rate measurement, multi-sport measurement, call reminder, alarm reminder. The app of the watch supports Android and iOS, and it has many different languages. For example, English, Japanese, Korean, German, Spanish, French, Italian, etc. Now we are going to wear it and test it. So it's very light and easy to use. It has many options. It's waterproof. You can wear it to rain, wash hands, but please don't put it in a hot water or swim with it. Heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen detector. It's one of the features. With Bluetooth push, it support call, message, and app news. Now if you go to kilometers, it's gonna count our distance that we made. It's gonna count our calories that we burn. In sports, if we push the button, it's gonna show us the some of the for the support is running, cycling, and walking. These are the support that this watch support. Now it's gonna count our sleep time, heart rate, blood pressure, blood monitoring, and if we go to message, it's gonna show us every notification in our phone. For example, the calls, notification from some apps like Facebook, Instagram, Viber, etc. And it's gonna show us the name who is calling us or texting us. If we go to function, hold it's gonna show our stopwatch, find the phone, and to turn off the watch. This watch comes with an app. It's called JUU, and you can download it on the iOS or Android, and we are going to show you that in the next video. Please subscribe to see how to download and connect to your phone. See you in the next video.